I know that I wanted to be a lawyer ever since I was 7 years old. But immigration is something that sort of evolved over time and might have been largely a part of my family's experiences, which were we went from diplomats to out of status to asylees to green cards to citizens. So when our clients feel frustrated about the process, I can understand and sympathize with what they're going through. So immigration to me was a field that I found very attractive. I wanted to sort of make my mark. My first job out of school was with a small firm in Virginia doing immigration, mostly asylum work, which I found hugely rewarding but limited. I was approached by a government lawyer who was my opposition counsel and told if I was interested there was a job open with INS in New York. And I applied for that position and I got that job. I was in that job for about 4 years before I realized that in order to really explore what else was out there for me, I needed to leave and go into the private sector, which is what I really wanted to do, and practice again as a private sector lawyer. And that's when I applied to Fragomen. Part of my decision to apply to Fragomen had to do with a case I had in immigration court. Two Fragomen attorneys who are now partners of the firm had a case. It was a novel issue of law based on gender discrimination and persecution. I was really impressed with how the two Fragomen attorneys handled the case, handled themselves, represented their clients, and worked with us. And that was the large part of the reason I decided to apply to the firm when I was ready to leave myself.